Today we're setting up an ergonomic gaming chair from DXRacer, and I'm not gonna lie, it's my favorite chair that I've owned. It feels great, can lay flat for nap time, and has improved my gaming capabilities. For real. Setup is easy too. Definitely the easiest chair I've assembled. Push in your wheels, flip it over, and slide in your piston and cover. Then screw down the base plate to the bottom of the chair. Then flip the seat over and lower it onto the piston. Then push it down snug. Then you can easily slide the backrest into the slots on the chair. You could tell this is a top quality chair just by the build and design. Those slots are such a cool feature. Screw down the backrest, then you can put on the head pillow and back pillow. And then put on the magnetic plates. And like that, you're good to go. It's covered with a nice fabric, and the cushion is extra squishy, yet firm at the same time. You can tell it's gonna last a long time. It has adjustable armrests, but they only go up and down, not side to side. Still a cool feature though. I also like those magnetic plates on the side. This chair's design was so well thought out. I've been using this for the past month, and I love sitting in this chair. I bought it because my last chair was breaking down and starting to cause me some hip pain. Yet the ergonomic design of this chair has me sitting with improved posture, so I can sit at my desk longer and get some work done, or play some video games. It is a gaming chair after all, and you better believe it's improved my gaming performance. Just joking, but not really. Having a chair comfortable enough to sit properly is a game changer alone. My old chair became uncomfortable over time, so I found myself standing at my desk more than sitting. And now, I really enjoy a nice sit in my new chair. It cradles me perfectly. Even though I sit straight up and don't use the backrest as much, I use the pillow on my lower back to hold my position, and the seat itself curves around my hips, holding them in place. In my old chair I'd sit Indian style and hunch over at the desk. But this one is just wide enough to sit like that, so I spend most of the time at my desk sitting with better posture. Not only that, but the chair rolls and swivels like butter. You can adjust the height easily, and even tilt the chair all the way down so you can take a well-deserved nap. The only downside I can see is that our cats like it as much as I do. They climb right up the fabric and lay on top. Their claws dig into it, and it's taken a bit of damage already. But DXRacer warns you about having animals around this in the user manual, so I can't complain. Overall, I'm really liking this chair, and really impressed with the build of this. It was so easy to set up, and that seat is so heavy in comparison to others that I've assembled. It's clearly went the extra mile to make a good quality chair. Now I'm sure there's better chairs out there, but when I was shopping, I was seeing chairs upwards of $1,000. And to find a DXRacer under $300, I had to try it, and I'm so glad that I did. So if you're looking for a high quality office chair that is built to last and will put your cheap chair to shame, this chair might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go get some work done, or play some more video games. See ya.